Hi friends, good evening. Today, Nifty did very well today when compared to Bank Nifty, and 2 days before, it took exact support from the Nifty future took exact support from 18,008, and from there today it went and touched 18,350. My calculation is till it holds, today's low, the possibility of 18,500 by expiry, and we have another 2 days to go. So Nifty has to cross another 250 points in the next 2 days time, and that is what the calculation says. So 18,500 is on the cards. Okay, and today Bank Nifty had a lazy day, and Canara Bank, after giving good result, it got hammered from 207 to 180 193 level. 190 was a very good support, but anyway it closed below 196. That's a little concern, but on 1 hour duration it is 190 is still valid. Till it doesn't close below 190, I think we don't need to worry. And tomorrow we have big guy Mr. PNB is going to announce his result, heavily built up positions. Let's see what happens. Anyway, my stop loss is intact. Okay, so this video, I want to show 2-3 stocks which is at a very crucial level based on my system design. And you also all know that yesterday I put a video on metals, that all the metals are at my system design, and from there today everybody all the metal stocks did very well, but long way to go. Tisco did, Tata Steel did very well by going up by 4%. Jindal Steel, JSW Steel. One guy was still lagging. I think it went up by 1%, on 1.5%, which is VADL. So 4 companies which I want to discuss, which are at a very crucial level, and all good companies to watch out. Three companies are very good companies. One is Dr. Reddy, and second is Lever, and third is Asian Paints. And fourth, I want to discuss about Bandhan Bank, because tomorrow it is having a big TCD and it is exactly at my system design. Okay, so we'll go to the chart and we'll discuss that. And before that, I want to discuss about Indiabulls, because it is also at a very crucial stage. So we will go and share first Indiabulls. Okay, so now this is Indiabulls. You can call it a trend line from the top, and I connected, and then last time also, it doesn't touch here, but it came and touched the bottom, and one day it went for a down freeze. Okay, this is a triangle pattern. So if it breaks below 210, then we should not hold this counter. Okay, we should not hold this counter. Why? Because 210 is my short-term number. Once it close above 210, possibility of 552. Okay, so last time it went above 210 and it went to somewhere near 312, and from there it crashed, and 10-15 days before it came and touched 207. Again it went to 263 level, and 2 days before it came and touched 212. Okay, so we can keep us, this is my 212 is my short term number. We can keep 210 as our stop loss. Okay, so for Indiabulls, 210 is our stop loss. And if you take, see, this is a recent TCD which has happened on 18th October. Okay, so now I am going to put a line here. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, this is the high of that day, and it's a low of that day is 240.5. Okay. So it is trading below the recent TCD low, which is 18th October low. Until this guy holds 212, nothing to worry. And if you go and see the big trend change date, this happened on 8th January. Okay, so this is based on some other calculation. So the 8th January low was 238. Okay, So I can make it 238. And the high was 251. Okay. So from here it came down, again went and touched this 251. From there it started falling. So once it went above, it went up by 50 rupees. Now again the recent TCD of 18th October and the TCD which happened on 8th, because this is a very crucial date, which is 8th Jan 2021, because it's a blue color date. It's very crucial. So that is why it is respecting to the core. So now you can go long once it closes above again 251, or you can go long here by keeping a stop loss of 210. Okay. And the important dates to watch out for India Bulls is 9th November and 19th December. So these two dates are very crucial for India Bulls. And again, I'm saying till it holds 210 on closing basis, 552 is still on the cards. Okay. So this is what I want to show. And if I put pitchfork, maybe I'll do this. This is the low here. This is the high here. So if I take out everything, yeah, this also says the bottom is done. Okay, so this is the lowest angle on the pitchfork. So it is holding the low of this blue color line, and too much to go. So we can keep it as 210 as our stop loss and start building positions. Once it cross above 251, build aggressive position, and we will see how once it crosses about 300 level. I think this time this guy can do much better. Okay, so this is what I want to share in India Bulls. So now I'm closing India Bulls. Now I want to go and check in my system. Okay, so now first I want to talk about Bandhan Bank. Okay, so now if you see the trend line from here and the trend line from the bottom, it has actually broken this upper side trend line, which is a very good sign, because it's a falling triangle, but it broke out that. So it was a very good signal, but somehow it is not able to go and cross 350 level and started falling. And today it came and touched my system red color line, and from there it again closed, and it closed above this trend line. And tomorrow is the big day. So till this guy holds 298, today it closed at 305. Okay, till maybe you can take it this one, till it holds 296, you can build a position. And tomorrow first 15 minutes, take a note of first 15 minutes high and low. Whenever it crosses first 15 minutes high, please buy with the stop loss of 15 minutes low, and vice versa. In case if it breaks 15% low, 15 minutes low, go short with the stop loss of 15 minutes high, because tomorrow is the big trend change date for Bandhan Bank. I don't know when this guy is coming out of result, that you need to check. And recent TCD, this happened on 21st September, sorry, 20th September. Okay, and from 28th September only, from the bottom it started moving, and it from 280 it went to 350. So the TCD happened here. Okay, so this is one counter which I want to discuss, because it is exactly at the system design. Okay, so now I want to discuss about in Unilever. Okay, so now on a daily basis, it is exactly sitting at 200-day SMA, which is this black color line. Okay, and if I take the trend line from the down, okay, so I connected this dot, I connected this dot, and now the trend line, it is taking support at the trend line and it is closing above only. So till, and this is an excellent pin bar here, which happened on 25th October. Okay, So till it holds the low of 25th October, which is 2410, you can simply buy. Okay, this is Hindustan Lever, and good company which you can keep it for long time. And the recent TCD happened on 27th September, and after that the stock was started falling. This is a 27th October which it had a TCD, and from there it is started going down, and the next big TCD is going to happen on 5th November. 5th November is holiday, so you can take it as this color. Okay, so you can take it as 8th November is a big day, because 5th November is holiday. So whenever the TCD date comes on holiday, you need to take the next day. So the next big day for Hindustan Lever is 8th November, and today it is sitting at exactly at 200 SMA and as well as the trend line support. Okay, so this is what I need to show in Hindustan Lever, and I want to talk about Dr. Reddy. Okay, so the recent TCD happened in Dr. Reddy is on 18th October, and from there the stock started falling, and now it is old. See, even though it is red, normally I don't take a position here, but still you can take a position because it is also at the trend line support. If I draw the channel, it is also at the trend line support, right? And this is a top angle and this is the bottom. Okay, so this is also holding, and the big yearly TCD happened on 23rd August. The 23rd August high and low, and this is what I mentioned in August PPT, saying that if it comes to 4,500 level you buy. It came down up to 4,5044, and from there it went up to 5,000 level. So now my system, trend line, as well as the big TCD which has happened on yearly TCD which has happened on 23rd August, all suggesting this guy has made a bottom. Okay, so you can keep a stop loss of 4,500 and you can build a position, because pharma counters is having their major TCD next month. So, and positive diversion is already happened in RSI in 30 minutes. We need some more confirmation on the RSI front. Once it comes, I think we can take a chance in pharma counters. Okay, that I will cover later point of time. But as of now, Dr. Reddy looks good to me because it's a good company which you can accumulate for long term. Okay, so now I want to talk about Asian Paints. Okay, on daily it has given a sell signal, because on that day it went down by 5%, which is happened on 21st October, and it is also very near to 200-day SMA, right? And this is actually it's a pin bar, and today it did well. It went up by 2%, and I'll show you the TCD. It's coming very recently. So now till it holds this line, which is 2842, which is a 200-day SMA, plus the important TCD which is happened on 21st May, which is the yearly TCD. See, all these yellow color number are yearly TCD. It comes only once in a year. Okay, so from here only it started moving up. If you go and watch my May PPT, you will see this. Okay, so now from here, this date, if I take the high and low, it is here, and 200, and last time when it came down 2 days before, it came and touched this blue color line, which is the yearly TCD high, and from there it bounced. Okay, so now TCD high and low plus 200-day SMA and a pin bar, it all says that bottom is made in Asian Paints. You can take a bet on the counter, and this is also a very good company, so you don't need to. And these are positional bet which you can take and ride the trend. And if I go and see in 15 minutes, yeah, just today it has given a buy on 15 minutes. So now once it crosses the high of once it crosses 3024, you can buy Hindustan Lever. Sorry, you can buy Asian Paints with the stop loss of 2931. In case if it comes to 2943 level, just stop loss is only 15 rupees and take a position. Okay, if it hits, let it hit, because when it turns to green on a 15 minutes, mostly the stock is hitting higher. And I will show this in Nifty, then you will understand Nifty future. A lot of numbers which I work on. See, my system gave a sell on Nifty here at, let's say, 18,376, and it fell roughly around 400 points from there. Okay, so now it has given a buy on 15 minutes. So till it holds this level, I think there will be a phenomenal rally. If you go back and see on 15 minutes, so the last 15 minutes, it gave a entry at 17,824. Okay, and from there it went to 18,600. It gave roughly around 900 points. Okay, so 15 minutes is what I look out in Nifty and in Bank Nifty too. If you go to Bank Nifty, so it gave a buy here on 15 minutes at 38179, and from there now it is quoting at see, exactly it came and touched my red color number on 15 minutes yesterday, and from there again pull back. Okay, so my system can be utilized in 1 minute to 1 week, 1 month, even 1 year. Okay, so till it is not turning into red, you can aram say sit in Bank Nifty. Okay, and Canara Bank, I just want to show you on 15 minutes it gave a sell today, and this is what I said. In 1 hour, it exactly touched my number. So till it holds 189.60 on a closing basis, you can take a stop loss of 187.90. Tomorrow, in case if you get the opportunity somewhere near, just buy with 1 rupee stop loss. Okay, so it won't normally give up this 1 hour time frame red color line, which is 189.60, because if you see, this guy gave a buy on 1 hour at 166, and from there it went up by 30 rupees. So watch out for Canara Bank also tomorrow, and big guy PNB. Yeah, 1 hour also looks good only, so no need to worry about PNB on a 1 hour time frame. And on a 15-minute time frame, yeah, today it came, touched my blue color line, and from there it is closed at 45.95. Okay, so this is what I want to cover, and tomorrow TCD, 1 second, I'll show you that. See, people, those who are following, again I'm telling people, those who are following futures, kindly look out only these 3 numbers. You don't need to worry about Nifty future. Just these 3 numbers will take care of everything, because see, on 25th October on a weekly observation, this was the number. Okay, so if it closed below this number for 15 minutes, then you need to exit the long. And it came down to this number. It went down below also, but it is not closed below this number for 15 minutes, because this is a positional bet. Okay, this is not an intraday bet. Okay, so from there on the next day, it has moved to 18015, and today it moved to 18026. So till it holds this number, which is 18026 on a monthly trend, and we have only 2 days time, so it is very, very difficult to come and touch this number. But we don't know, market is always gives surprise, but still it is this is the number to watch out on a monthly basis for the next 2 days till expiry. But yesterday, if you go and see, the Nifty was trading below this weekly number. That's why I made it in red. Okay, so whenever Nifty futures trades below these 3 numbers, I will mark in red. If it is in blue, then it is bullish. So on a weekly front, it was trading below this number for the last 2 days. Okay, but today it closed above this number. So now all turned bullish. All three number turned bullish. So now I am looking out for this number in Nifty spot. Okay, because this is the 14th October high. Whenever it closes above this number, my target is this 18,729. I am not saying it is going to happen in the next 2 days time, but eventually once it closes above 18,347, the possibility is 18,729. Once it crosses 18,729, the next target is 19,025. Okay, so hope this number did the magic. 18,042. That is because of one TCD's date low. That is why I gave that number, and market respected that number to the core. Okay, nothing else. There is no 20 SMA, 100 SMA and all that. That's a pure TCD low. That's all. Okay, so hope we will, let's see, whether we are going to see 18,500 in the next 2 days time. So hope this video would have given you some kind of information about the stocks. Again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock or consult your financial advisors. Thanks a lot. Bye.